No, not for a one-piece pattern. So let's talk about this one pattern piece pattern. Simplicity 8452. It's a 1950s vintage knit blouse. Now this comes in sizes small, medium, and large. And I made a size medium. And I'm not even finished with it. I did complete most of it in one sitting, but the last part kind of threw me for a loop. So you see this drawing. I mean, it looks like it's so simple, so clear cut. It's just one piece, right? Well, let's talk about it. First of all, it comes together effortlessly. Fairly simple to put together. And from looking at the illustration on the back, it looks like you're just going to, you know, kind of wrap this up following the directions, and that's it. Let me tell you where I was thrown for a loop at, okay? The notions, one hook and eye. Did I see that? No. I didn't see that it needed a hook and eye. Now you do have to use knit fabrics with this, okay? As the title says, Mrs. Vintage Knit Blouse. Suggested fabrics being jersey, stretch velvet, two-way stretch, extra fabric needed to match plaid stripes or one-way design fabrics, okay? So my fabric is a Victoria Jacquard. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So pretty stretchy. So remember, for Valentine's Day, well, I thought I might use this for Valentine's Day. I had this fabric here, and this is what I use for my top. Now, when I say it came together effortlessly, I mean, it came together pretty easy. There's one seam that forms your kind of like your neckline and your armholes at the same time, if that makes sense. So this is what your garment ends up looking like. Okay? So this here where your split is actually the inside front of your garment, and then you have your two armholes here at both ends. And I'm going to put this on for you, and then I'm going to show you where my dilemma is, okay? So I put on a skirt kind of like the model in the picture to help demonstrate my frustration, okay? Not really frustration, but just, I don't know, I feel like I was hoodwinked by this pattern. So this is your little back opening, your back split. This actually is gonna go like this, okay? So this is gonna be your back. So this part across, in here kind of acts like a back yoke, right? So this split is going to split around your neck, okay? And your arms just going either hole. All right, simple, easy. All right, easy back. Kind of forms a back yoke there, right? Okay, now this is my dilemma. So you end up with these corners, right? At the end of the instructions, it tells you to install a hook and eye at the waistline, but there are minimal to no pattern markings on this pattern. So it did not tell us where to place our hook and eye. And that is where my frustration and my dilemma comes in. Because where do I place this hook and eye, and what do I do with this? So right's supposed to go over left like this. Move my mic. So right is supposed to go over left, like so. Okay. And then you're supposed to just like, so you tuck your left side in, you tuck your right side in, then I guess you just tuck it all around, right? I'm not a fan of wearing tucked in shirts, but if your bottoms or your skirt or your pants or whatever you're gonna wear this with is, see, I don't know, it's snug enough, you could maybe get away with just tucking this in and leaving it like that. I don't know. So yeah, I'm a little frustrated with this. I mean, I don't know where to place my hook and eye, so I haven't done it, and this has been finished. See, look at that. I don't know what to do with it. This has been finished for about 2-3 weeks. I just don't know where to place my hook and eye. I mean, I guess I could just see where I want it to meet and mark it. This just really seems like a lot of work for a one-piece pattern. I just think it should be easier than this. Install your hook and eye at the waistline. What does that even mean? So yeah, I don't know, because this isn't staying tucked, or I don't know. I don't know where to put the hook and eye. And see, for me now that I see that this isn't gonna stay tucked, I would be trying to put this hook and eye down here to keep this on the inside. And I don't know. I don't know what to do. But this is the one-piece pattern. I'll tell you, there are not a lot of steps and instructions to it. But, I mean, if you've made this pattern before, let me know down in the comments. Let me know how you determined where to put your hook and eye closure. Am I wearing this right? Do I have it on right? What are these corners supposed to be doing? Let me know.